What's up, team? What's up, team? Hope everyone having a good weekend. And we're getting ready for a new week, new trading. So, good thing about this week is obviously all the Fed noise is out the way. So, hopefully, we could see some clear direction and not as much choppiness. Even though last week we didn't really get, probably got 1 day and a half of choppy. Every other day was pretty decent, I'll say. Friday was a roller coaster. So Friday was the day that I'm gonna reference to when we're trading tomorrow, because remember the drop came around 433. So tomorrow we're gonna be looking at that level to see if it's gonna break or reject just like it did. So please keep in mind for that rejection around 433, team, all right? Obviously under 431 was a sorry. Obviously under 431 on Thursday night evening. I basically told you guys you could short SPY if it goes under 431. Um it did go, gave you guys a couple, almost went to 430. So you could have printed at least almost $1 and got out real quick. So we're just gonna watch the break of this wick on tomorrow to see if it really wants to flush down more. So it'll be a 449.90, 85 break to go low. So just keep those two levels in there, 433 and 429.90, I'll say. So I'm gonna just put some alerts here for you guys. And then we gotta definitely watch this area tomorrow. The wick area right here. Yeah. So right here. See if it's gonna drop or not. I think those are two levels to watch. Overall, it still looks heavy in my opinion, but the market has been selling. So I don't want you guys to think that we're gonna drop heavy even more tomorrow. So if we do go lower, I think it's gonna go at least, I think 429, and I think 429 will be a good level. I don't think it's gonna go lower than these two zones in my opinion. I'm sorry, I'll take that out right here. I don't think it's gonna go lower than those two zones. We already had consecutive red days, guys, and it wasn't light days. These were big drops. So the market should type some type of bounce. Not a big bounce, of course, but some type of bounce. So we still got government shutdown still in the works. So that's why I'm saying, it could still come down a little bit more. So, and if that really happens, then yeah, the market's gonna come down way more. So we're just gonna be playing the reject whenever that happens, team. And I'll do my best to guide you guys on the cues. Let's talk about the cues. The cues looks tighter than SPY because the Friday and the Thursday price action stood in a tight range. So it's kind of easier to short cues than SPY because look where the cues has price action too. So I got a level right there. That alert hits. You could definitely go for shorts under there. And we're gonna be looking at same thing as SPY. We're gonna be looking at a reject around here on the cues. Right here, team. All right. So that's gonna be the reject area to see if it done. And if it don't reject, obvious, it cancels out the reject, then obviously it's gonna go long, and it's probably gonna go to 361.5 the Qs. So I'm gonna watch these two levels for you guys tomorrow. Same thing though, go for the Qs, not really on the bull side yet, you know. I expect some bounce though, at least maybe midday tomorrow, maybe by 10:30. I don't know, but everything looks heavy. Nothing, look, still dark tint increase. I'm gonna follow these technicals. The only positive thing about this RSI is that The double bottom is slightly higher. So that might be gut. So that's what I'm saying. It might be, let me see how it looks on spot. It might be some exhausted bears coming in tomorrow. They might be present, but not as strong. That's what I'm trying to get at. Um, you see? So you see, guys, I just told you guys the cues look tighter. It looks like that one looks a little bit easier to short the SPY. Look, the double bottom is they're having a lower low over here. So that's why SPY is heavier in my opinion. Qs haven't done that yet. So definitely Qs. I mean, SPY was the heavy movement on Friday, in my opinion. All right, let's get to some names. Before I even talk about mine, let's do the normal. Let's talk about Apple, Microsoft. All right, so Apple actually moved decent on Friday. So let's look at Apple. Apple, okay. See, Apple actually looks strong. This is a higher pivot on the RSI. We got a 10 on the Mac, double bottoming now. Yeah, I will watch. Apple will only be interesting above my volume profile line. For those of you that don't know what's my volume profile line, it's this lime green line right here that's attached to these purple bars. So that's my VP line, volume profile line. So if it gets above that, then Apple might try to test 50, 21 EMAs. My line's over here. So Apple looks bullish, surprisingly. Okay. Even though this could easily get rejected like it did on Friday, but other indicators say it could go higher. And this is a perfect double bottom as well, team. So if you draw a trend line from here to there, it's uptrend. So Microsoft, right? Let's talk about Microsoft. And we talk about Meta, Netflix, and Tesla. Wow, Microsoft. Wow. So look, we was talking about Thursday. Oh, Microsoft could possibly be a morning star. It completely got canceled out, guys. This is a big bearish candle, and it still looks like it's gonna come down, in my opinion. Um, yeah, everything is saying downside on Microsoft. So I'm gonna put an alert to you guys to short it under this wick. Because if it goes under this wick, you're going to these levels. So I'm gonna put the alert here. Microsoft look heavy, my opinion. Let's check Tesla. Oh my God, Tesla. Jesus Christ. Damn, look, we drew this trend line when we've been talking about Tesla last week, right? As soon as it went on the trend line, could have just swung puts for 2 days, possibly 4 days, because tomorrow it looks like it's gonna drop more, and it's probably gonna drop to here. Maybe the Bali, maybe I'll say resistance, support resistance type of situation, in my opinion. So I'm gonna put an alert there just to see if it's respecting it. And if it does, I think that'll be a nice long entry for a swing. But yeah, Tesla look big red stick on the Mac. So that tells you the bears was definitely in play. Everything's bearish. But yeah, I'm bearish on Tesla. Microsoft, Tesla, Meta, right? And then Netflix, and then I'll talk about what I got. Meta, Meta could go. It's a tight area, and the only reason I'm saying it could go is because it's holding the 50 nice. And Friday didn't really drop hard. So I'll wait till we get above here on Meta. And Meta did have some nice price action. It just gave it all up. So, but Meta looks good. It's still on the positive side. Bulls is already in since Thursday, as you guys can see. So they could start getting winded out. And this is perfect to the upside. So yeah, Meta looks good. Alert there and Netflix. And then we go to the list. I got some energy names. Oh wow, Netflix. Jesus Christ. I like how we bouncing off the 200. So that's a positive. Now, I will not chase puts. Like, hell no. It's just too much sold already. It's only one green candle in the past like 10 days. So I would try the long Netflix instead of go short. It'll be dumb in my opinion to go short. Yeah. So we're gonna wait till Netflix gets comfortable, right? Hold on. Cracks. I'm trying to mentally visualize this, guys. All right. I'll say around here, right? Netflix reclaims these levels. Think we're good for upside. This is not really a strong rejection at level, in my opinion, just because it was really um a one. It only rejected once on Friday. It didn't reject multiple times. And then over here, it didn't really reject around the same area. It was kind of higher. So if we get above VWAP 21.9, probably start trying to revisit these highs over here and possibly continue. It has been getting smacked down. That's what I'm saying that. So it looks heavy as of now, though, Netflix. You just gotta wait for that move. Wait for the exhaustion, the bear exhaustion to stop, and then try to clap the upside. Okay. And the R side does look like it's bottoming out, in my opinion. Okay. So names this week. All right, let's talk about Costco. They got yard this week. Costco. Let's see what Costco looking like on the daily. Costco, you see, Costco looks good. Look at this. Nice pivot here to go up. I like how we're still in the positive side, and this doesn't look like it's gonna get red anytime soon either. So Costco above, let me see. Wow, this is a big resistance level on Costco right here. Let me mark this down. So yeah, we'll probably have to wait till we get here, team. See what happens with Costco. Keep in mind they got ER, but bullish on this one, knowing that they have ER coming. So Costco looks good. What else? There was one that looked bearish. There was one that looked bearish. BJ's, I think was the one that looked. Yeah, BJ's looks a little bearish, in my opinion. So the only reason I'm saying is because it looks like it's double topping out over here. This was one rejection. This was one area of rejection. Then this was another one, and it was the candle actually went on the VWAP. This one. That's why I'm like, damn, BJ's looks a little heavy. I'll just watch BJ's under here, and if I'm not mistaken, they at. Oh no, they're not out. Okay, just making sure. So I watch this level. If it bounces off of this level, then the Bears basically are not strong. Then I'll probably try to just continue up. But I think that's a good area to short it to at least here. And if it does go lower, probably go here, and then that's it, which is the low of this candle, the high here, resistance or support. So BJ's looks heavy. Dollar General. No, I don't want to talk about Dollar General. I don't like it. Nike has ER. I'm gonna try to get my money back from them because I cut my calls. Nike has ER, right, guys? Super oversold. Wow, on the daily. I haven't seen a stock so oversold in a long time. Damn, Nike. Nike is damn. This looks bad, guys. Let's see. So Nike, let's six. We gotta extend this all the way over here for real. Damn, all right. Let's see what this price is doing over here, team. So we got a nice little bounce around here, then over here, and then last but not least, wait, there's actually two more right here. All right, and obviously this is all right. Nike's this red line's where Nike's at right now. Um, Damn, Nike's probably gonna try to drop to 86.5 or 60, then try to bounce. I'm I'm trying to catch this level. If it reverses. So I'm gonna put an alert around here just to see if it's real. The demand zone. Super heavy though on Nike. It could definitely sell a little more. There's nothing really strong to the upside. So I watch that area for a bounce on Nike. So this should be red more tomorrow. I'm gonna put one right here on my I got a support around here, so I'm gonna just put one more so it can get my attention. Now obviously if it breaks this level, it's gonna go here. So these two levels are key for Nike. They have earnings too this week, so later on, I think Thursday. Nike, we got MU. MU is another one. Now, MU held the 50. That's the positive thing I like about MU. And Friday wasn't that weak. Bulls was definitely in. And this looks good. This is in the positive side. Yes, the Bears is in, but this could start turning soon. So as long as it stays positive, MU should keep rising, in my opinion. I'm putting an alert on MU around here to see if we get along. Might be a ER little thing, might not. If not, I'll just wait for ER day and catch the IV move. But let's see. If it does run up before ER, you can cash out and just play it again the next day. Z scalar. Z scalar, Z scalar. See how Z scalar look. Not bad. Only thing that's not adding up is this. Why is it increasing and dark still? It could be just a reject. So Z scalar, this looks good. You know what? I'm gonna put two. I'll put one for the short side and I'll put one for the long side. Just in case it's trying to fool us, sorry. So I'll put one there and then above my 21, we should be good to go. Probably gonna rip through the volume profile and figure it's above the 21. So 60. Z scalar. So that's around support around these candles. See if it wants to repeat some price action. VMW. See what VMware is. VMware is breaking macro resistance over here, guys. Yep. Oh, finally, a play that looks decent. Okay, so tomorrow, this actually could go. Oh, okay. I see where it's at. It's almost near highs. So yeah, just wait. 169. Yeah, 170 causes what I want. So I'm gonna wait till we get around here for Z scalar team. C scalar, sorry. VMware. VMware. Nice macro resistance approaching. So see if it's real. Let's see. Might be snitching on chips tomorrow. Maybe chips might do so. We are swinging Soxel. Cisco. See what Cisco looks like. Okay, Cisco got smoked to the downside. I don't even think it's worth playing after. I feel like it needs a couple days to try to start bounce up. So I'm gonna negate Cisco. I didn't know it had that big gap down. I'll just put. I know it's not gonna go here tomorrow, but for future reference, I'll put an alert over here. It's very rare it'll fill out. a stock fills a gap so quick. It usually takes a couple days, not that quick. Sometimes a week. Um, Home Depot. Home Depot. Wow, Home Depot. One, two, three, four. Morning Star opportunity team. If it happens. This thing has to, I'll put over here on HD. That's 307.70. No way I'm gonna tell you guys to go short more. And this is resistance that it wicked on, so it looks good. Looks good for a bounce after this week of some bad news with the feds. Let the market digest this nonsense already. Hopefully tomorrow some reverse happening. So I already talked about Kroger KMI. Let's see what KMI look. Oh, KMI could be doing a morning star off the double bottom over here. So KMI is not bad. Yep, nice. So I'm gonna watch this one around here to see if small account friendly. Mhm. Let me see Devon Energy. Let me see why I like Devon Energy. Oh my God, Devon Energy, they have been killing you, sir. Finally, some kink up leg. Okay. All right. A lot of potential morning stars. Let's see if it's true. Looking for the reversal on that one, team. So many bloody days on that one. Um, Small account, energy. Uranium was moving decent, to be honest. Probably the only thing. Yep, look at uranium. I'm gonna watch this one above here. And I'm gonna talk about the smaller name one, which is cheaper. But yeah, everything looks good. This looks a little shaky, but it's cool. It's been trending up for a long look. It's all the way back there. So the other one is UEC. Probably similar pattern. Yep, similar pattern. So just wait. You sh Honestly, these are like beautiful to play together. If you catch one, you catch the other, you good. So let's watch around 5.5. Now, if they both do reach the resistance that I've been marking, guys, you gotta wait till the breaks, all right, with power and with trend, cause it could double top out and you could just, catch the short entry play. So I want you to keep that in mind. So that one's good. UEC, almost done, team, almost done. And yeah, I got three more. Okay. I want to talk about some oils. Oxy. Probably start seeing some reverse too. And the only reason I would talk about oil because they've been talking about oil the past like 2.5 weeks already that it's gonna be even more in the years to come. So super bullish analysts on oil. So this is buy area. So I'm gonna watch Oxy tomorrow. If I think around here is good. All right. I think right here is a good watch. You can watch other names like Chevron, Valero, Shell, BP. But yeah, super bullish analysts are on oil. We're in the positive side still, so this already curled up, so it looks good. So Baba I wanted to talk about and then coin and I'm done. Baba looked good on Friday. That's why I want to talk about it today. Look, it gapped up. Baba was fire swing from Thursday to Friday. Now, I don't trust China, so this is just a day trade. I wouldn't even hold it. So much going on between us and China, so gotta play it safe. So 90 calls on Baba could definitely have potential. We already ripped on the RSI. We already trying to show some upside movement on the Mac, especially with the slight change on the red on 10 change on the bear side. So yeah, 90 calls should be doable for sure. They should go in the money and I'll take profit around my what's this? Yeah, my 50. And then if it does rip, then take profit on the next one, next EMA, just the 200. And coin. Coin. The reason I want to talk about coin because it looks heavy. Bitcoin looks like it's leaking. Bearish engulfing. Yeah, short coin. Easy money tomorrow on coin, guys. I'll put my alert here. Okay. It's gonna open up lower. I know for sure, just because of the drop Bitcoin already had. Wow, so strong. Yep. Yep. Tomorrow coin, guys. Coin shorts. Go ahead and kill the other ones if y'all want, like Mara, Riot, Hut. Pick whichever ones. But coins should definitely go to the dirt. All right, gang. Any tickets y'all want me to talk about? Let me know. Or forever hold your peace.
I was gonna ask you about CL macro, Colgate Palmolive macro downside.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Probably gonna open up lower, but yes, I agree with you. Super downside macro.
Thank you, G.
Yeah. All right, gang, that's it. All right, y'all gonna trade future stuff?
Yeah, I'll be chilling.
I'm long right now, bro.
All right, man. All right, I'll hop on with y'all. I'll get on voice. Yeah, I'll just get on voice so this shit could upload.
Cool. Got it.
All right, gang.
Well.